CUBICON Prime is the most advanced and powerful FDM printer, providing dual Z-axis system and ease of assembly. First layer is guaranteed by high-technology Nozzle Auto-leveling system, which delivers industry-leading performance on the carbon glass bed. High-resolution touchscreen and dial installed makes operation and maintenance easy and quick. Extruder is CUBICON Genuine and direct drive type, including Loadcell integrated into the system, which makes print quality accurate and reliable. Its all-in-one system doesn't require users to operate complicated settings, but provides convenience with high quality. CUBICON developed stainless type nozzle is the most durable, and it's easy to be replaced from the outside without disassembly of extruder parts. Prime also supports various types of filaments such as PLA, ABS, TPU with high quality. CUBICON Prime is the best of the best technology to help you build your imagination. Prime. CUBICON.